One of the challenges is the time, since I am a full-time professor here in our university. Preparing for classes for the different courses demands really more time. Hence, I have to juggle my time prioritizing teaching and at the same time doing research despite the very hectic schedules. But because I really love research, I make sure that I can really finish my research before the given deadline. This advice is really based on my experience back when I was still a newbie in research. Find a research mentor. Find a research mentor who is very passionate and dedicated to help you grow as a researcher. Having a good research mentor when I started this research journey was a big help. And through her valuable comments and insights, I am now able to do research on my own. Through her mentorship, I am able to slowly build my confidence in myself as a researcher. This is actually my first time that I have attended the Social Science and Humanities Research Association International Conference. And I find it a very intimate one. And because it is an intimate one, the participants were able to do lively interactions after each research presentation.